Good morning, buddies. I'm Bernard Leon. This is my classmate in Carlabalas, and we came from Cavite State University. So we're here to interview and ask some questions. Sir,
You started in politics, Barangay Cagawad, and now you're the vice mayor of Dasmariñas. How did you attain your position next?
By giving good service to the people and honest in the job and sincere. And the people knows that, so they will again make us continue to make us a position and be elected.
You're the head of your family, and you're also one of the leader of Dasmariñas. How did you manage your time to be able to put your duties and responsibilities being a father and a vice mayor?
If you have a family and a wife that is very parang medyo maunawain at maunawaan na intindihan yung trabaho mo, kaya mong palang sabay both in the public servant and the family and the father. And then, kung paano mo papartihin yung oras mo.
Your youngest daughter was in line with politics. She's the current SK Federation president. How did you guide her to be able to become a good leader?
Giving examples of being a public servant, being a leader. Tell how to paano ko makikipag-usap sa tao, i-harap, and also ang paggalang. Number one na kailangan natin isang
What if when time comes that lady wants to pursue politics, she wants to be a councilor or a vice mayor, would you consider her political ambition?
Sakto mo. Bakit? It's enough na one politician in the family.
Election 2020 is near at hand. Are you looking forward to take a higher position by next year?
for you, what is the hardest part? Being a vice mayor or being a father?
Being a father so then today in this it's harder to become a mayor.
75%.
Yeah.
This one is at 75%. So how did you manage those 75%?
Ang napakadami po. Kasi hindi mo naman kailangan puntahan sa isang magsina ka, sumunod ka sa mga invitasyon, o ipag-usap ka ng mayo, and siya nga, do your job honestly. Okay po kayo na natin.
I know that you have already made so many projects. Which of those projects that you think other municipality doesn't have and you can be proud of?
Regarding project, the job of the executive. Ako bilang vice mayor, ang trabaho namin ay legislative. Doing resolutions and ordinances na i-implement ng so we have no such project like the construction or development project. So ito kami na yung purely pwede natin pagmakit. Kung meron din naman sa ibang bayan na Las Marinas, we have a strong ordinance, we have a tax code and sanitation code na sini-implement ng ating municipal
What advice can you say to those
be honest and sincere to what they are aspiring for.
That's all, Vice Mayor. Thank you very much for having your time. Salamat po. Salamat po.
Okay.
Sige po, Vice. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Edit nyo na lang.